Welcome to Wyvern House, located along Downs View, a lovely row of Edwardian properties facing the golf course. One of the real key selling features of this very large 7-bedroom property, it's within 500 or 600 metres of the sandy beach at Crooklets and the fabulous surf there, and lovely coastal walks that can be enjoyed from here along the Downs and into the town centre. Come into Wyvern House. You come into a really welcoming entrance hall, and that leads through to a beautiful reception room. And a real feature of these buildings are the bay windows on the ground, first and second floor, offering views out towards the golf course, and double doors open into a really spacious dining room. And completing the ground floor accommodation is a utility room, games room and a ground floor bathroom. So this is the low maintenance rear garden. My clients have astroturfed it and added a beautiful hot tub to enjoy the summer evenings. On the more practical side, there's a large garage to the rear of this property, offering off-road parking and secure storage. So this is the top bedroom of Wyvern House. There are 7 bedrooms in total, 6 with ensuite, 3-storey Edwardian building. Located along Downs View with lovely views over to the golf course. And to my right, the sea in the distance. Currently used as a high quality holiday let, but could easily be used as a large family home or dual occupation, as it's got annex to the rear of the property. If you've liked what you've seen with this property and would like a viewing, please do give the office a call on 01288 353 661. We look forward to hearing from you.